everybody, I'm doing a video of my birds, and let's start. I have some finches, 6 finches, and 2 diamond doves. And I have, where is it? Oh, a canary up there. He's right there. And I have 2 golden Italian quails. One here. And one here. I also have 4 doves. There's 2 right here and 2 right here. We separated these 2 because they're being aggressive and they're attacking the other doves over here. I also have some more quails right here. So could you guys just give me a second? I'll just wait. Okay, so I'm back. Sorry for that, but I also have 2 cockatiels and 5 parakeets. There's 2 yellow ones and this nice green one and a blue one here and this other one right there. There's one of them eating right there. I only know that one of my parakeets are females. I mean, one of my parakeets are males, not females. Sorry if it's blurry. But only one of them, I'm 100% sure, is a male. Which is that one on the top on the corner. Right. Anyway, I also have 2 lovebirds. They're in the nest. They have 3 eggs. And I'm not sure if the eggs are going to hatch. It's been a while since they've been laid. And the lovebirds just never like to sit on them. Anyway, that's all my birds. So see you later. Bye.